Welcome to another edition of Warehousing Life Meet the Leaders. Today we have Anamika Jain, who's the Operations Director for Aaj Enterprises. Anamika joined the family business in 2014, and since then she has been the helm of breakthrough amongst the achievements of Aaj Enterprises with the innovative services. The company has grown from 120,000 square feet to 7 lakh square feet of warehouse space in the span of 7 years. Integrated WMS and technology solutions are some of her other achievements. This month, Aaj has launched its newest facility at Ghaziabad, which is a 100% green facility and runs on solar energy. Congratulations on the new facility, Anamika, and welcome to the platform.
Thank you so much, Akshay.
My first question to you would be: the industry has seen major changes during the wave 1 and wave 2 of COVID. How do you think the industry has changed over this period of time?
So yes, COVID has impacted economy and businesses globally, Akshita, and the warehousing industry and the supply chain industry is not untouched. But I would say that the industry has evolved for good out of this pandemic. The first thing when there is a disruption, the businesses need to do is be agile and adapt their cost centers and revenue centers for minimizing the impact of disruption and decipher opportunities in the new business environment. So there has been an impact, and I would like to share the changes we have made following this pandemic. We came up with a very interesting service called Town Home during this time. And under this service, we are providing temporary storage solutions to homes and offices for the stuff they would not like to use. And this service came very handy for businesses which were temporarily shut down, or individuals who were moving back home from the cities due to the work from home options. They could temporarily store their items with us at a very nominal fee. And all of the steps which we have taken, including Town Home, they have helped us to maintain our revenue line, reduce cost, so that our EBITDA improves.
That's great and quite an innovation. How do you perceive the next few years for the warehousing and 3PL industry, and what are the new trends you see coming up?
See, there are two things which I primarily foresee. That the demand for warehousing per se will increase in India. If you compare the demand for warehousing in India with the developed world, there is a big gap. But I am seeing increasing acceptability for outsourced operations in India. And B, I see that sustainable and IoT-enabled warehouses are going to dominate the industry. And keeping that in view, we set up our first 100% solar-powered green warehouse last month. And we hope to continue that trend.
That's great. In little over a decade, Aaj Enterprises has become a well-known brand for 3PL services. First of all, congratulations for that.
Thank you so much.
Could you tell me more about the unique services that you're offering?
We have a very clear vision, Akshita, that we want to be a global player in warehouse services with reliable, cost-effective solutions for our customers. And from the very beginning, even when the trend had not picked up, we were offering fully variable warehousing operation services to our clients. That was 10 years ago, and we're still continuing that. So under this, we do not charge our customers any fixed fee at all, and we don't believe in tying them up with us through a fixed fee channel. And we provide them shared facilities, fully racked, Wi-Fi enabled, technology enabled, at a variable fee. So that's what we wish to continue and build on in the future as well.
That's great. Could you please elaborate on your association with the e-commerce industry and the different services you're having for them?
That's been a very interesting and a roller coaster ride for us. Since January 2021, we have onboarded 35 new e-commerce customers to our client list. So that's a very optimistic number, I feel. And now we are in last 8 months only, we have developed capabilities of offering end-to-end solution to e-commerce for e-commerce supply chain, where we are integrated with all marketplaces. We are integrated with all the B2C transporters, so that there is just one supply chain partner any e-commerce company has to tie up with, which can be Aaj, for all their supply chain needs.
Great. Aaj is also providing consultancy services. Would you like to elaborate a little on that? And what kind of clients are you catering to currently?
So this has just started to pick up, Akshita. We are providing these services mainly to startup and medium-sized companies. We have done that for a few clients in last 1 year. And basically, as a consultant, we help them to establish their warehouse whenever they don't want to outsource it. So there are companies which, as a matter of strategy, want to own their warehouse because of their larger business context. So we help them with the racking plan, we help them in designing their SOPs, we help them with a WMS, we provide them a WMS, and we also help them with the implementation of the WMS. So these are the services we provide as a consultant.
Great. Would you like to discuss any case study on any innovative services which Aaj would have provided, like services maybe like return management, etc.?
Now that's another innovation we did during the COVID time. We came up with a dedicated returns management facility, and that was actually a result of the need of that day, primarily built for our existing customers, because we were expecting very high returns post-COVID lockdown. But fortunately, it so happened it was received so well by our existing customers that now we are going out in the market and offering this as a standalone service, where we are just open to receiving and managing returns for any business. And I'm happy to share that this has got acceptability and traction from the market.
Wow, that's good news. Would you like to share any message with the industry?
Rather than with the industry, I would like to share, rather than a message, I would like to share my view. And my view is that supply chain industry is at the helm of change in India. There is a change because of the pandemic. There is also a change because of the optimism around e-commerce. And any supply chain company can, I think, build on this opportunity to grow their business.
On that note, thank you so much, Anamika, for your time and for such great insights. Until we meet next, thank you everyone for your time, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.